pretty much all you got to do is the front tire, the front fender, the handlebars you put on, and then these the controls right here. You can see they move a little bit. The guy that I bought it off of, the dealer, he said when he puts them together, he likes to put a strip of black tape underneath, because I didn't even put this one on, and this is how it comes. Anyway, let's see. And then the rear shock. This bolt down here for the rear shock is off, so it's the bike's collapsed all the way down, and then you put this on. So it's not a whole lot to do, and I got it $200 cheaper for me to put it together, so I think that was worth it. There's a few things that you have to change. So this is the headlight bulb that comes in it. This thing is absolutely trash. Like, it's like a solar light for the garden. It wouldn't even shine onto the road. But the good thing is, it's an H11. It's the same as an H11 bulb. So the stock fog lights out of my truck fit in there, and it's a lot brighter. So before, it wouldn't even shine on the road. You couldn't even tell you had it on. Now it's a lot brighter. I've been riding it for a little while. Let's see. I got 73 miles on it, and I love it. This thing's awesome. The only problems I've really had was I started up one morning and it wouldn't idle. So I guess this thing has an evap system, so it'll pass emissions in California. So there's no vent in the gas tank. There's this evap thing, which is like a check valve, and I got a couple hoses going to it. You can remove it. I haven't did it yet, but pretty much it doesn't let air get into the tank. So it's like holding a straw, like dip a straw in water and hold it. It's not gonna let anything drain out. So you gotta come up here and let air into the tank. Let's see if you can hear it. I don't know if you could hear that or not, but you have to do that or the bike will not run. I rode it like halfway to work and had to stop, and it just shut off, and then you have to pop the gas cap. But I will remove that thing probably this week sometime. I'll be putting another video up because I got a new exhaust for it. They said it's for a grom, but they say they don't fit. Got to do some modifications to it, but I can do that. And then I got another carburetor. I'm gonna try to use this stock one, but if it doesn't work, I got a bigger carburetor for it. I did get the 17 tooth sprocket, but it was the wrong size shaft for it, so I have to return that and get a different one. But you want to stick around for some updates. I'm gonna do a bunch of stuff to it, a little bit at a time. And so yeah, we got the exhaust coming, we got the carburetor, we're getting the sprocket. I'll probably do handlebars, maybe like a fender eliminator. I may actually change the whole color of this thing because I'm not a big fan of red. But yeah, if you want to follow along, just subscribe, and we'll keep putting the videos on of it.